What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's episode, what we need to go over and look at is the potential correction of some of the major cryptocurrencies. We're actually starting to see some interesting movements. Specifically on XRP, we actually broke through just yesterday a major resistance level that's been on XRP for quite a long time that we've been patiently waiting for it to break. And because we've broken it, which is definitely some exciting news, there's a chance now that we're going to continue to spiral higher slowly but surely to the upside. Here you can see we were battling this resistance for about 4 days, and just yesterday we exploded through it and closed at 64 cents, which is incredible. Lots of turbulence as of today, but inevitably we broke through it, which means we are on a path to success slowly but surely. But beyond going further into that, I just want to remind you guys again, we are doing an Amazon gift card giveaway for this week. All you have to do to enter to win that gift card is literally comment subscribed and giveaway down in the comment section below. Comment those two things. I will be checking, and if you are not actually subscribed to the channel, then I will not be sending that gift card to you. Remember, really quickly, giveaway will be, the drawing for the giveaway will be Sunday morning, so stay tuned for Sunday morning's video, as that is extremely important stuff for you to keep in mind. But moving forward from that, moving forward from the giveaway here, we do have XRP to continue looking at. We do have Ethereum that we need to look at starting to peak, potentially Bitcoin starting to peak, so on and so forth. Consolidation is taking over the S&P 500, which looks really good if you ask me. I'm actually very happy that we're starting to flatline and trade sideways, because the consolidation is starting to take over, and we've now amounted to lowering ourselves from 74 on the RSI all the way down to 62 on the RSI, which is really good because that's going to open up room for us to see a major break to the upside here. So I'm excited with the path that these cryptos are moving to, and the S&P 500. But with that all being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, diving into the technical analysis, you can see I made a video yesterday basically explaining that we are pumping even higher than before, but at what cost within crypto. Basically, my interpretation was that yes, even though we are exploding to the upside and breaking through major resistances to go higher within the market, how much higher are we inevitably going to head? And that can be answered really quickly in a minute. As you guys can see with top 10 cryptos, we're down 1.17%. We're trading in extreme greed right now on the Fear and Greed Index here. Markets have been up quite high, 14% on Bitcoin, 10% on Ethereum here. We have things like Cardano and Doge and Avalanche up in the double digits here. And you can start to see we are peaking. We are plateauing within a lot of these cryptocurrencies. We've reached what I would think is the top, nonetheless. Now, what gets interesting is if we look at XRP, we're only at about 55 on the relative strength indicator right here, but Ethereum is nearing, you can see 66. Bitcoin is overbought, and you can see they're starting to veer lower. They're starting to correct downwards from here. And this is what we've been expecting and anticipating, because when we broke out of these markets, we were already pretty much overbought. There wasn't much more room for us to head higher. Now, that changes for XRP. XRP has plenty of room to head higher. The problem here is, could it get suppressed by the other cryptocurrencies? That's kind of my big fear and my big worry, is that it could be kind of held back by the other cryptocurrencies. And that's why we kind of have to keep our eye on it. Regardless, as we've said time in and time again, XRP has formed its fifth bull flag formation here. It's been a consistent cyclical market. We have a flag pull, we have the flag, we have a breakout. Flag pull for number 2, flag itself, breakout for number 2. Flag pull for number 3, flag itself, breakout for number 3. Flag pull for number 4, flag breakout for number 4. Here's number 5, the flag pull, the flag itself, breakout. Why do we do so? Well, you can see here's the uptrend, here's the descending fractal, stair-stepping pattern, retest bottom support, complete the trend in the inside here, and here we are starting to break out. Now, how much higher can we go? Well, if you look at, historically, the past 4 other times we've broken out, the size of the breakouts are pretty large compared to where we currently are. They're very large from where they currently are. So the likelihood that the run is done is very slim to none. It's very possible we can head all the way up to like 75 cents. It's very possible we can even head higher than that, but I'd say on average, it would probably be closer to 70 to 75 cents conservatively here. You can see we do have a bearish cross happening right now on the moving averages here. We are intertwined within this bullish uptrend here, but we are inevitably starting to head higher, and that is a good sign. Now, what you need to consider is we did buy in just in case. We have a stop loss pretty low on this one, just in case we do decide to dip down, and there's a big chance we could dip down. We're taking a risk here. Regardless, even if we do, we're still going to make profit. It just might take a little bit longer because we're either going to consolidate here and head up, or we're going to fall and head up, but we're going to head up nonetheless. And that's the point I'm trying to make here. We've confirmed a breakout from this resistance here, and since then we've shot up quite a bit. For those that bought in aggressively here, we were at a peak up almost 8. No, we were up 8% here, currently at 3.7, but there's a good chance we're going to be heading much higher in the very near future. Now, obviously, we take advantage of all these trades on BitFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BitFi basically lets me buy long, it lets me sell short, it lets me create stop losses, it lets me take profit. Literally every single thing you could possibly want on an exchange is offered on BitFi, including the opportunity to leverage trade XRP, which really not many exchanges at all offer. So the fact that XRP is offered to leverage trade here, long, short, so on and so forth, is incredible. Not only that, but they're offering a sign-up bonus of up to $2,888 by signing up with the link down in the description below. And then on top of that, they even have added the demo trading back to the desktop version, as you guys can see here, which means for those that are sitting out the trade that's currently happening right now, you can regain or re-enter the markets here on BitFi using the XRP demo account and literally trade around for free, get familiar with the platform, learn the platform, get familiar with trading cryptocurrency, and then you can use real funds, which is awesome. So literally learn about the exchange, and you can also see what is this? They refund running rate exchange between buyer. No, that's different. But inevitably, what I'm saying is you can keep buying long and you can keep selling short and learning the trades. If you can get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades in a row positive, then you're ready to, use real crypto. But this is a way of getting familiar with the platform before actually using real risk. So it's risk-free to sign up, and you're actually losing out by not taking advantage of the buy-in opportunities of the free crypto. Now, moving forward from that, we already talked about XRP, looking at Ethereum. Here's where I start to worry that maybe XRP could get suppressed, is because we became overbought. We broke out of an ascending triangle right here, filling in the gap, broke bullish outside of here, and you can see we're starting to consolidate. How much lower could we go? It's really up for debate, but there's a chance we could retest support and head up higher from that. Who knows what's at stake here? Regardless, we are heading up, and that's something that we do need to consider. We don't have enough yet to draw a top resistance here. It's way too early to tell, but it is something we have to consider, that we are most likely going to start to correct downwards here. There's a lot showing signs of potential correction. Same thing with the S&P. S&P is currently overbought. Bitcoin is what I meant to say. Bitcoin is currently overbought. We did break out of an ascending fractal here. You can see we've now swung to the upside, and it's now time to decide, are we going to continue to correct lower, or are we going to continue to head up? I'd likely think we're due for a pullback, even in the slightest bit, in order to help us lower ourselves down to a healthy level on the relative strength indicator, and then we'll be able to head up even higher, which is very exciting to me. So keep your eyes peeled on these markets, because very soon we are going to get that result that we're all looking for here. So you just have to be patient, and you just have to wait to see what exactly is happening. There could be a short opportunity on Bitcoin, and there could be a short opportunity on Ethereum. You got to consider, weigh the options. Regardless, those stop losses are in tight, so we can lock in profit from the correction that we already saw, or the breakout that we already saw. But to wrap things up with the S&P 500, I think we need to continue to dump lower. Maybe not as aggressive, but something that we saw in the past here. You can see after breakout of the bull flag here, we started to have consolidation, and that's what we're kind of looking for here. We already had this happen, which is right here. Now we're looking for this kind of consolidation here. So we're looking for this sort of pattern of just flat line sideways movement, because what that will do is lower us from a peak. What was 164, drop this down to 44. We're looking for a peak of 74 to maybe get us down to 50. which is slowly starting to do. And then we'll be able to head up even higher because I'm bullish for 2024 and I'm very excited for what 2024 will offer. But with that all being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.